Welcome to video lecturing on BSc first semester mathematics. This is a session 21 on matrices. In this session we are going to study about some more problems on the non-trivial solutions of homogeneous system of equations. Recap of the previous sessions. In the previous session what we have studied here? In the previous sessions we have studied the examples on problems on homogeneous system of equations for non-trivial solutions. Learning objectives of this session are to understand the meaning of non-trivial solution and the criterion for uniqueness of homogeneous system of equations. And the outcome of this session are, after the completion of this session, we are able to understand when the system of homogeneous equations is having non-trivial solutions. Let us take examples on this. Solve 6x plus 4y plus 2z is equals to 0. 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equals to 0, 2x plus 3z is equals to 0, y plus 5z is equals to 0. Take the solution. Here the unknowns are x, y and z. There are only 3 unknowns in this. The coefficient matrix is, matrix A is equals to coefficients of x, y, z in first equation are 6, 4, 2 and in second equation are 2, 4, 6 and in third equation are 2, there is no coefficient of y, so it is 0 and coefficient of z is 3. So third row is 2, 0, 3 and coefficients of x, y, z in the last equation, there is no any x term, so it is 0, coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of z is 5. This is the coefficient matrix obtained from these system of equations. Let us find the rank of this matrix. You know how to find the rank of the matrix. In first, here we can see second row is 2, 4, 6. So 2 is common and in first row it is 6, 4, 2. Let us divide this first row by 2 and second row is also by 2. You will get here, first row is dividing by 2, you will get here 3, 2, 1 and second row is 2, 1, 3. In this you can see here, so it is after dividing you will get here 3, 2, 1 and it is the second row is 1, 2, 3 and third and fourth row are as it is. Again let us interchange R2 and R1. Why we are interchanging means, here if the first element of a first row is 1, then it will be easy to make the remaining elements rows, first element of remaining rows to be 0. So for that I have interchanged R2 and R1. I have interchanged here R2 and R1. So R1 becomes here, see, I have interchanged these two rows. So I have written this row here 1, 2, 3 and second row is 3, 2, 1. So that it becomes easy to make these two elements, these remaining elements are 0. And what we have done here is, we have changed R2. R2 changes to 3 times of R1. That is R2 changes to here R3, here these two elements, these two rows you have to use here. That is for this R2 changes to 3 times of R1. R2 here is this we have applied for this, that is 3 minus 3 times of 1. So it is 0 you will get. Similarly second element is here 2, 2. No, it is R3 is 2 minus, it is not, it is implies this is minus, it is R3 minus 3 times of 2 it is, that is R2 changes to R2 minus 3 times of R1, that is 2 minus 6 is minus 4. And similarly this is R2 is 1, this one 1 minus 3 times of R1 is 3, 1 minus 9 is minus 8 you will get. Similarly we are changing here, we are changing R3 also. R3 changes to R3 minus, this one is minus, R3 minus 2 times of R1. So that is R3 here is what here 2, no, it is first element is 2, 2 minus 2 times of 1. These two rows you have to use here. 2 minus first element here. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0 you will get here. And similarly what here, next element is 0, no, here R3 is 0, 0 minus 2 times of this one, 0 minus 2 times of 2 it is, 0 minus 4 is minus 4 you will get this one. Similarly last element here this is 1, 1 minus 2 times of, this is 3, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 times of 3 minus 6 here, it is minus 3 will get. And last we have to keep as it is, because here already we have 0 here, no need to simplify this one. Next it is equivalent to, let us divide this R2 divided by R2 by minus 4. This we can observe in this previous case here. So here in R2, what we have here, R2, 0 minus 4 minus 8 is there. If you divide it by minus 4, you will get 1 and 2 it is. So we will get here 1, 2, and third and fourth row you kept as it is. First row is also same. Next we can make here, we can make this element 0 and this element 0 by applying row operation. That is here R3 changes to R3 plus this one, R3 changes to R3 plus, that is minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0, and R4 changes to R4 minus R2, it is minus 1 plus, this is 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So after applying these row operations, you will get this matrix here. And lastly we can make here this element is to be 0, and this one is here 1, 2, this one. After simplification we will get here 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 5, and this is 0. Here what we have applied here, we want to make this one to be 0, this one to be 0. What we have done here, we use this one, and this one here, multiplying, that is R4 changes to 5 times of coefficients of this one, 5 times of R4 minus 3 times of R3, that is here 5 times of R4 means 5 into, no need to simplify for zeros here, 5 into R4 is 3 minus 3 times of R4, the above element here is 5, so it is 15 minus 15 is equals to 0 you will get. So next it is equivalent to, first row is 1, 2, 3, and the second row is 0, 1, 2, and here I have repeated the same matrix here also, that is 0, 0, 5 and 0, 0, 0. Since there are how many non-zero rows here, we have only 3 non-zero rows in this. That is rank of A is equals to 3. This is the number of unknowns. And as you have seen here, if the rank of the matrix A is equals to number of unknowns, then the system has only trivial solution. 3 equations, that is 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Here it is equals to number of unknowns. So rank of A is equals to number of unknowns. Then the system has only trivial solution. That is, it has no this has no non-trivial solution, or it is, we can say that here it has only trivial solution. So trivial solution means here, as you have seen in previous cases, so we can reconstruct this matrix here. We can reconstruct the matrix into system of equations. What we get here? We will get here x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0 from this first row. And second row, what we have here? 0, we can leave this 0. This is y plus 2z is equals to 0. And from this third row, what we can have here? We can have 5z is equals to 0. So what this implies here? This implies here z is equals to 0. This equation implies z is equals to 0. So if you put z is equals to 0 in this equation, it becomes here, this is 0. So what we have here, y is also equals to 0. So here, and in this equation y is 0, substitute y equals to 0, and substitute z is also equals to 0. What we have here, x is also equals to 0, you will get here. So thus, if the rank of the matrix is equals to number of unknowns, then the system has only trivial solution. Trivial means all the unknowns are is equals to 0. Like this here, you will get x equals to 0, y equals to 0, and z equals to 0. So this is about the solution of this problem. This is the solution. So now I have given some multiple choice questions related to this topic here. The equations are given, you have to find whether it has a trivial or non-trivial solution, and the answer is non-trivial solution. You have to verify it yourself by solving this example. And second one, the value of lambda for which the system has, again the value of lambda for which the system has trivial and non-trivial solution. The value of k for which the system has a non-trivial solution. Here it is given the system has a non-trivial solution, you have to find the value of k. Here for which value of k the system has a non-trivial solution. The system of equations is, you have to verify whether the system of equation is consistent or inconsistent, means whether it has a solution or not. What we have to do is, here you have to find the rank of the matrix. If rank of the matrix is less than the number of unknowns, then it has a you have to you know how to find this whether it is consistent or inconsistent. And similarly, last one is also same. The system of equations has a trivial or non-trivial solution. This you have to verify whether it has a trivial or non-trivial solution. So this is all about this today's session. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.